If you've been told that type 2 diabetes is a life sentence, you've been lied to. The truth is, your rising blood sugar may have nothing to do with your diet, your weight, or your age, and everything to do with a hidden process happening inside your brain. Recent research reveals that a damaged blood-brain barrier can block insulin from reaching the brain, disrupting your body's ability to regulate glucose. This leads to erratic blood sugar levels, constant fatigue, and even leg pain that won't go away, no matter how many medications you take. But now, a natural diabetes supplement is helping thousands get rid of diabetes by restoring this critical brain function. It's based on a simple morning trigger discovered in a remote Vietnamese village, where type 2 diabetes is virtually unknown. This protocol doesn't involve dieting, exercise, or painful insulin pricks. Instead, it uses a blend of herbs and vitamins, including ashwagandha, chamomile, skullcap, and GABA, to repair the blood-brain barrier and restore insulin signaling. The result? Balanced blood sugar, renewed energy, and freedom from diabetic symptoms. People are reporting incredible results, blood sugar dropping from 498 to 117, 48 pounds of weight loss. No more leg pain or blurred vision. Full nights of sleep and clear mental focus. And the best part? It works even if you've had type 2 diabetes for 10 or 20 years. Whether you're 30 or 80, this natural approach is helping people reverse their condition and reclaim their lives. This isn't about managing symptoms, it's about targeting the real cause and giving your body the tools to heal itself. If you're ready to stop living in fear of complications and start enjoying life again, discover how this breakthrough is helping people get rid of diabetes naturally and for good.